Hello everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you 3 different reps in Nimzo-Indian Defense, and I am going to show you a checkmate puzzles for you. That puzzles answer, if you know that puzzles answer, please share your answer below the comment section. Okay, if you don't know the answer, don't worry, I am give you the right answer after the timer. Okay, this is Nimzo-Indian Defense reps. Let's go to the rep 1. Okay. Hello everyone. This is rep number 1 in Nimzo-Indian Defense. Okay. Let's go to the moves. First move is d4. This is called queen's pawn opening. Then black turn now. Black knight go to f6. This is called Indian defense. Then c4, e6, knight c3. Okay. This is normal variation. Okay. Now black turn now. Black bishop go to b4. In this match, black resign in 7 moves only. Why black resign in 7 moves? How to white won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly the 4th move of e3. Okay, we will see how to counter this match. Black pawn go to b6. Okay, his idea is he bring the bishop to here and attack this pawn and bring the knight this line. No, it's not come because there is a queen. Okay, we will see how to counter this match. White knight go to e2. Okay, then black bishop go to a6. Okay, in 2-3 moves black resign. You can see why black resign. Okay, then the 6th move of white 10. White knight go to g3. Okay, now d5. He pushed the pawn to d5. This is bad move. He did black. In this case, white queen go to a4 and beautiful check there. We will see this queen checked in the same time wrap the bishop. If black with this queen knight, okay. If black with this knight, then cut the knight. That's it. Now check. If go back, if black the pawn with, then pawn take the pawn and double attack here. One is this queen attack this bishop, also this pawn attack this bishop. That's it. If take the pawn, then wrap the bishop and check, he moves, then wrap the bishop, check. That's why black resign in 7 moves only. Okay, now we can go to the wrap number 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. This is wrap number 2. How to white won the game? Why black resign in 8 moves only? We will see the answer. Okay, we can go to the moves. Okay, let's go to the moves. d4, queen's pawn opening, knight f6, queen's for the Indian defense, c4, Indian defense normal variation, e6, normal variation, knight c3. Okay, then bishop go to b4. Now pin the knight by the pawn. Then 4th move of queen c2. Now defend the knight. In the game, black resign in 8 moves only. We will see why black resign. Okay, the 4th move of knight c6, black played. Then white played knight f3. Then d6, bishop g5. Now pin the knight by the bishop. Then the 6th move of black e5. Okay, then 7th move of d5. He pushed the pawn to d5. Now attack the knight by the pawn. Then black knight go to e7. Then queen a4 check. That's it. Now wrap the bishop. If black the check with this, then wrap the bishop. That's it. That's why black resigned this match. Go back now. If black the check with this pawn, then wrap the bishop. If go back, if black the check with knight, then wrap the knight. Okay. In this match, black resign now. Okay. Let's go to the wrap number 3. Hello chess friends and chess lovers. This is wrap number 3. Why white resign in 8 moves only? How to black won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Let's go to the moves. First move is d4. This is called queen's pawn opening. Then knight f6. This is called Indian defense. Then the 2nd move of c4 pawn. Then black turn e6. Then white turn knight c3. Okay, this is Indian defense normal variation. Okay, let's go to the another move of black. Black bishop go to b4. Then white turn, white bishop go to g5. Now pin the knight by the bishop. Then c5, e3, queen a5. Okay. Let's go to the sixth move of white. White rook go to c1. Now defend the knight by the rook. Then black knight go to e4. In this match, white resign in some moves. Okay. Please watch until finish this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. The seventh move of knight f3. Okay. Then the black turn now. Black knight take the, you will see, black knight take the bishop. Then knight cross g5. That's it. In one move, white resign. C cross d4. Now pin the knight and attack the knight by the pawn. You can see now this bishop there is a pin. That's why this rook cannot go, this knight cannot go anywhere. Then if king move like this, then wrap the knight. That's it. That's why white resigned this match. Okay. Now let's go to the checkmate puzzles time. Okay. Let's go to the puzzles. Hello chess friends and chess lovers. This is checkmate puzzles time. First move is white turn. How to white won by checkmate in 5 moves only. I am going to give you 30 seconds only. Before the 30 seconds, you need to find the right answer. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to that right answer after the 30 seconds. Sorry, after the 30 seconds. Let's go to the timer. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. This is checkmate puzzles answer. Now I am going to give you the right answer. Okay. First move is white turn. In 5 moves, white won by checkmate. First move is knight b5. Okay. Now this knight defend the queen. Rook at the white queen. Okay. Then one moves. Another move is c. Knight go to d6 and beautiful check. Then cut the knight by the pawn. Then knight go to e4. We will see queen go to d5. This is key. Did a bad moves, I think. We will see. Okay. Then knight cross d6 and beautiful check. Okay. Now take the knight by the queen. In one move, there's a beautiful checkmate with bishop. Bishop go and checkmate. That's it. This is the checkmate puzzles answer. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. Okay. In the video end of this particular checkmate puzzles. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone.